Hello everyone and welcome back to another Godot tutorial. In today's video we are going to see how to use the Raycast2D node in Godot 4. I've made this little project where we have this player controlled by the arrow keys. And now what if you want to add a Raycast2D node to the player? We need to go to the player scene, and here we need to add a Raycast2D node. Now as you can see, I have this little arrow. I need to rotate it and make it to the side of the player, and I want to scale it, so we need to go to transform, and here in scale I want to uncheck the unlock component ratio so I can scale or add an X and Y value separately. So for the X value I'm going to set it to 1.5, and for the Y value I'm going to set it to 3. Now we have scaled this Raycast2D, and now if you want to make this Raycast shown in your game, you need to go to debug, and here we need to check visible collision shapes. Now when we run the game, we can see all the collision shapes we have in our game, and also we can see this Raycast in our game. Now when I try to collide with something with this Raycast, it turns to the red color. That means it's colliding with something, but nothing is happening, and that's normal because we need to add some functionality to this Raycast by going to the play script, and down here I'm going to add some code. So first I'm going to say if Raycast2D is colliding, then I'm going to set the speed and the jump velocity of the player to 0, which is created at the top of this code. So now let's say speed equals 0 and jump velocity equal to 0, and that means that the player can no longer move. And under this I'm going to say await get tree dot create timer, and I'm going to set the time to 3 seconds dot time out. Now that means that after 3 seconds I'm going to set the speed again to its initial value, which is 300, and the jump velocity equal to minus 700. So I've created this little example so we can see now when we run the game and try to collide this Raycast with something in the game, the player will stop moving for 3 seconds, and after that we have the player moving again. And again, if we collide Raycast with something, the player will stop moving for another 3 seconds. Now I have created this simple example to simplify how to use the Raycast2D in your game. And this is for this short video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you all later.